everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Supriya and this is my channel Live, Love, Laugh and Learn. Guys, this is a channel where we learn about personality development, self-development and motivational things. So in case you're new, please like and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get a notification. So in today's video guys, I'm gonna talk about how to deal with stress and anxiety during this pandemic. This is a very important video, and what I feel we all need these kinds of informations in this situation. So before I'll start my video, I would like to first of all I'll pray to God to make this COVID situation goes away as soon as it can. At the same time, I will urge you all for maintaining all the safety measures to keep ourselves safe, at the same time people around us safe. So please do that guys, it's very important, and this video will help you to maintain your emotional and mental well-being. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So before I'll start my video, I would like to share a few things about me. A couple of months ago, I used to feel very sad, depressed, and there was too much anxiety inside me. Obviously because of this, COVID situation. I haven't seen my parents from last 1.5 years, and as the situations are becoming, worse day by day, it seems very difficult. So somehow I have managed myself, my mental level, and I thought I should share these tips and tricks with you guys also, because it helped me a lot. I thought it will help you also. So these tips and tricks are based upon my experience and my knowledge. So let's get started guys. So the first tip will be, if you're feeling sad, if you're feeling depressed, just allow yourself to feel it. You must be wondering what I am saying, but we all accept this fact guys, that the situation around us is not so good. And being sad in this situation, being depressed, having so much anxiety in this situation is quite obvious and normal. So allow yourself to feel it, but after some time ask to yourself, is this situation is totally in your hand? No, the situation is not fully in our hand. So what we can do? We can do our best. We can maintain all the safety measures to keep ourselves safe, at the same time people around us safe. And we should not worry about things and people where we have not much control, right? So in this way we can, train our mind. Second tip will be, we should start and end our day in a systematic way. So for that, I truly believe guys, when we start our day in a positive way, with a positive thoughts, our day become positive. And if we practice it every day, our life become positive, and vice versa. So at the same time, I agree with this fact that we all need, the situation has been changed a lot, and we all need to be informed. We all need informations about this COVID situation on an everyday basis, right? But few of us, what we do in the early morning when we wake up, we start scrolling our social networking site. Few of us start watching the negative news on a TV or reading newspapers and all. That is not a right way. As I said, if you start your day in a negative way, if you feed your brain so much negativity in the early morning, is not good. Then the whole day will be negative, and you'll end up by having so much stress. So we should wait at least 1 to 2 hours in the early morning, and at that time we can practice some calming things like exercise, meditation, yoga. Even a good music will help you a lot. So we can do these things. Third will be, plan your day in a organized way. So for that, we can make a to-do list for ourselves, and as the children are in home, so we can make a to-do list for them also. And we can put some fun things or some hobbies on that list. In that way we can enjoy, we can have fun, and at the same time our productivity increases when we work according to when we point out, when we list down all the things we need to do. That is a very fun way. So in that way we can organize our day. Fourth will be, see, there is a big difference between being informed and being overloaded. So we need to be informed, not overloaded by so many informations, right? So for that we can reduce our, we can cut down our timing which we spend on social media and on watching TV. Whenever we get time, don't scroll your social networking site, and don't start watching news because it will make you more negative. And one more thing I would like to add here, that we should depend on a trustworthy source, reliable source, right? So you must have all of us know this fact that in social networking site many contents are not real, right? There are so many fake news, so we should not trust those kind of news. At the same time, we should not share these kinds of negativity to make people negative around us, right? So this was my 4 tips. 5th will be, in this difficult time and otherwise also, we all need to stay connected to our friends and family. That is so good for our mental health and for our family's mental health also. And one thing I have noticed, that when we talk to our friends and family, most of us generally talk about the COVID situation. I know this, the situation has become so worst, and that's why we are talking. But if you'll talk only about COVID, you'll become so stressed and you'll make the other person also stressed. So please don't do this. Little bit is okay, but don't talk too much. Don't talk only about COVID situation. And there are so many things we can talk about, those things, and in that way we can maintain our mental level, mental peace. So this was my tip. And the 6th will be, we should be careful about our eating and sleeping pattern. A proper 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep is very important for an adult. And for eating, I'll say a well-balanced food is very important. Last time, we all have been engaged ourselves in making so many dishes, especially junk dishes like burgers, pizza, momos, sweets. And I know we are, all of us are in home, and craving for food is quite normal. But you can cheat on a, weekly basis, and be careful about your amount, how much you are consuming. And, well-balanced food will help you to maintain, your mental health, and you'll be fit also, you'll be healthy also. So that is most important. And in the last, I'll say, stay positive, stay motivated. Don't worry, the situation will be all right. And I'll say one thing in Hindi, because in that way it's more effective. शाखें अगर रही तो पत्ते भी आएंगे, फूल भी आएंगे. दिन अगर बुरे हैं तो अच्छे भी आएंगे. So stay hopeful, stay positive, and the good times will come. Thank you so much. See you in next video. Bye bye.